Hello everyone! Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about creative writing
and how to structure your own story.
Thank you for watching. Let's break this down together. To make a well-structured story, we need to first plot the sequence of events. The first one is the exposition or the setting.
The setting provides us details of the main characters and gives us essential background information on the story theme, message, conflict, setting, and mood.
Next, we'll have the rising action. This part of the structure introduces the problem for the protagonist. The protagonist is the main character. This usually is something that they must work towards solving.
Next, we have the climax. This is where everything explodes. The build-up of the story is the climax.
Now we have the falling action. Where do the characters go from here? Will they live happily ever after, or dwell in the depths of despair?
And finally, the resolution. This gives closure to the audience, or it can be the open ending for a part 2. Thank you so much for listening.
We hope to see you next time
At the English chat.
Until next time, keep chatting.
Goodbye.
Bye.